Hello. Today I have a very interesting question that I want to answer with you. Is intelligence determined by genetics? This is a question that in some way we all ask ourselves. Is my intelligence related to my parents, or it just depends on what I learn in life? So one man just think a lot about this question, and he started to investigate. He found a group of scientists that started some trials and investigations about the genes that could be related to our intelligence. It seems that they found an answer to this question. Before I tell you the answer, I want you to know that intelligence can be defined in many different ways, but the most likely definitions include the ability to reason, plan, solve problems, think abstractly, and understand complex ideas. So, having these definitions about what intelligence refers to, the experts create a method to measure the intelligence called the IQ, or intelligence quotient. Many researchers have made their investigations trying to find the genes that conduct to a better intelligence. I assume that you're thinking how. I am too. They compare the IQ of one person to the IQ of his family. They do this so they can find some similarity about it, and then the study suggests that 70% of the IQ of a person is genetic. But not happily with the result, they made another study of the entire genome, so they can find a specific gene that could be responsible of the IQ inherited. But they couldn't find any genes that underlie difference in intelligence. There are so many genes involved in this process. Knowing that, some scientists have the crazy idea that these genes could be modified to make a person more intelligent. But we need to know first that intelligence is also strongly influenced by the environment. Factors related to a child's home environment and parenting, education, and ability to learning resources, and nutrition, among others, all contribute to the intelligence. A person's environment and genes influence each other, and be challenging to tease apart the effects of the environment from those of genetics. That's how scientists think that we can control the genes to be in right order to work properly. So that's how a person can develop his intelligence. But as you know, the genes can have mutations. This is a problem because a mutation can make a gene not work properly. So researchers analyzed some cases of people with autism to compare their IQ with people that seems healthy, in order to identify how the genes of these two people work and where is the difference between them. They found that some of the same genes that influence human intelligence in healthy people were also the same genes that cause impaired cognitive ability. Researchers conclude that even if we have a gene network that works making people more intelligent, it doesn't guarantee success. But we can probably conclude that intelligence is influenced by genetics and environmental factors that can be modified to make people more intelligent, or at least at this time it's impossible to guarantee any success on this procedure. Perhaps in many years from now, scientists can manage this network of genes to make it work as an artificial intelligence for a human. But for now, we're just happy to know that our intelligence is mostly relayed to our parents. But if we want to be a little more intelligent, we need to create our own method to study hard and make yourself a person with an elevated IQ. Thank you.